What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install LibreOffice on your PC or laptop for free. To start, open up your browser and go to the official LibreOffice website. Once you're on the homepage, locate the download button in the top menu bar and click on it. This will take you to the download page, where you can choose a version of LibreOffice that matches your operating system. If you're using Windows, the site should automatically detect it and offer the correct version. However, if needed, you can manually select between Windows, macOS or Linux before proceeding. Now, click on the download button and the setup file will start downloading. Once the download is finished, open up your downloads folder and locate the LibreOffice installer. Double-click on it to begin the installation process. The setup wizard will open, guiding you through the installation. Click Next to proceed and then choose the installation type. It is recommended to select Typical Installation, which includes all essential components. If you prefer a custom setup, you can choose Custom Installation to manually select the features you want. After selecting your preferred option, click Next, then click Install to start the installation. If you see a User Account Control or UAC prompt, click Yes to allow the installation. Wait for the process to complete, and then click Finish to close the installer. LibreOffice is now successfully installed on your computer. To launch it, search for LibreOffice in your Start menu search and hit Enter. Once opened, you will see the main interface where you can start creating documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.